The steady heartbeat of a track is a solid floor, but if the floor never tilts, the dance becomes stagnant. We can tilt the room by manipulating weight and rhythmic gravity. Think of a rhythmic loop like a series of identical marble pillars. Right now, they look the same, but if you hit one pillar with a spotlight or paint another bright red, the way you perceive the space changes. That's an accent. It's not about changing the notes, it's about where you lean your weight. By shifting the accent or the volume to different spots, the same loop may feel like it's stumbling, gliding, or sprinting. Now imagine two transparent gears of different sizes locked together. Both gears turn at the same speed, but because they have a different number of teeth, they click at different intervals. This is polymeter. It is like two hikers taking steps at the same exact tempo, but one hiker counts their strides in groups of 4, while the other counts in groups of 7. They start together, drift into a phased state of tension, and eventually their feet hit the ground at the same exact moment again, in this case after 28 beats. This is the art of metrical illusion. You can take a single phrase and make it evolve without changing a single note, simply by shifting the weight and layering the gears to create hypnotic, progressive movement. Thank you for watching, and until next time.